Hello and welcome to this English assessment, and this is on Livvy and the Dream Monster test. Let's have a read of this together. So Livvy was always a good girl at bedtimes. She splashed around in the bath, brushed her teeth, and put on her pajamas ready to snuggle up with Dad for a story. Afterwards, she cuddled up with her favorite toy, whose name was Monkey, and Dad tucked her in with a kiss goodnight. So you've got 8 questions based on these small extracts of story about Livvy and her favorite toy. So what was the name of Livvy's favorite toy? So you just go here into the story itself and have a look of what the name of this particular toy was. And once you've found that name, then decide if it's going to be A, B, C, or D. So you can read the question as many times as you like and go back and forth to the text as many times as you like. And remember, in our next class, we'll be going through all these questions one by one. So if you do struggle, don't worry. Thank you.